Welcome back, friends. In this quick tutorial, we will learn how to show Windows Explorer drives letter first and how to clear drive letter if desired. From your Windows search, open Registry Console. This registry value can be set in two areas. Computer configuration for all users or can be for current user configuration. Follow the steps to open listed registry path. Under Explorer, create new registry named Show Drive Letters First. Registries are case sensitive, so make sure to follow name as displaying on screen. The value 0 means no change. If you wish to hide drive letters, modify the value to 3 and refresh the screen to verify the settings. Same way, if you want to show drive letters first, update the value to 4. To change settings back to default, change the value to 0 again. If you wish to apply this setting to all existing and new users, follow same steps to create new registry under Local Machine Explorer Registry Location. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more informative videos.